Some light sprinkles out there. A live look over the Southwest Freeway. You can see some of these clouds starting to look a little bit darker. That's because we have been seeing very light rainfall. Visible satellite showing we've got those puffy cumulus clouds all across southeast Texas. And we've even been seeing some of those sprinkles on the far southwest side. You can see from Port Lavaca up through Victoria, Wharton County, also a few light sprinkles. Other than that, though, today still going to be mainly about the heat and humidity. Temperatures 82 out in Tomball, 78 for our friends on the island. Yard work forecast today, hot and sweaty. Temperatures warming up into the mid 80s under partly cloudy skies. The benefit of any rainfall is going to help cool you down. And let me incredible. I can't wait to hear all of the updates, watch all of the videos. I mean, that doesn't happen very often.
No, it does not.
Decades, in fact.
That's right.
Hey, you know what we haven't seen in a long time?
Rain.
And we need it,
We
Andy.
do.
Tomorrow is going to be just isolated showers. The two main areas of concern, that's going to be Thursday, mainly in the morning to mid-afternoon, and then Saturday night into Sunday morning. That's two separate cold fronts that's going to bring with it scattered rain chances. Satellite and radar showing the first cold front we're tracking pushing its way well to our north. Rain chances tomorrow, though, incredibly minimal. Let me show you what that looks like. You'll notice as we head into Wednesday, 10 a.m., some light sprinkles not out of the question. Not expecting anything too impactful, but we will take any rainfall at this point. As we look ahead to Thursday, we'll start to see a more heavy line of thunderstorms. The timing here is actually showing it slow down compared to what we were forecasting yesterday. This has it reaching our far northwest counties by 9 a.m. before it falls apart and pushes to the south east. By lunchtime, we'll be seeing those showers and storms here in Houston, but dry for the evening commute. So I do think for our Thursday forecast, morning is going to be more impactful than our afternoon commute. Then as we look ahead to Friday, it's going to be much more like yesterday, warm, humid. We're going to see the possibility maybe of an isolated sprinkle, but the rain chances really start to ramp up as we then look ahead to Saturday. This is when we're tracking our stronger cold front that's actually bringing with it a flash flood risk for the day on Saturday all the way through 7 a.m. Easter morning. This means if you've got outdoor egg hunts planned, you're going to want to pay close attention to this forecast. Now, things can still change, but right now we're expecting that cold front to move in from the northwest to the southeast. Right now, our timeline has it pushing into Houston, hopefully Saturday afternoon, but potentially later on Saturday night into Sunday, which could leave lingering showers for our Easter morning. Right now, there's still a bit of uncertainty here, but what I can tell you is I would expect a cloudy, breezy, wet start to our Easter. Our best chance of seeing amongst a lot of holidays. Passover begins tomorrow. Easter, that's this weekend. A live look outside, we've got a mix of sunshine and cloud cover, and believe it or not, some locations have seen some light sprinkles. Visible satellite, I don't have streaming inland with those winds coming in from the coast. That's been increasing our humidity, which is why hard to see, but a few sprinkles have been out there between Sealy and Hempstead. Nothing very significant. For most of us, it's been all about the heat today. Currently 85 in Columbus, 84 here in Houston. As you're heading out the door, maybe doing an evening jog, stay hydrated. Temperatures slow to cool by 7 o'clock, still 80 degrees. Now, rain chances, not much today, but look what happens as we go over the upcoming week. Every single day we've got shower chances, but there's two main timelines to look for: Thursday morning, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Joel, Lisa, I've got much more on that storm timeline coming up.
Looks like plenty of rain on the way.
Asking me this, I can't tell you how many folks have been like, we have an Easter egg hunt.
Right.
There's a face painter coming, and there's just so many things with these holidays that rain would not be good for.
Right.
So let's dive in. But the primary days, that's going to be Thursday, mainly morning to mid-afternoon, and then Saturday night into Sunday morning. Let me show you what this looks like, because during the day today, it's just been warm and humid. But Future Track is going to show you as we head into the day tomorrow, with more humidity, we're going to see the possibility of pop-up showers and storms similar to a summertime-like pattern. Not expecting anything widespread, just an isolated hit or miss shower. Daytime hours for most of us. As we head into Thursday, this is when we're going to see our first round of showers. It's going to be slightly more widespread. This is coming in with a front, which means it's moving from the northwest to the southeast, first impacting the Brazos Valley and Piney Woods, likely between 7 and 9 a.m. in the morning, continuing to advance into the Houston area. We're putting this right around lunchtime, moving into Harris County by 1, pushing through and breaking up in the afternoon. Now, it's possible this timeline can change, but for now, morning into mid-afternoon is when we can see the biggest impacts on Thursday. Friday, we see a bit of a break before our stronger front, the more impactful front, moves in for the weekend. Now, that weekend front already bringing with it a low flash flood risk throughout southeast Texas. So let's dive in with that timeline there. The front expected to push in from the northwest, first bringing storms from Dallas down through Austin, reaching the Houston area likely by Saturday afternoon. And then it slows down a tad, which means it'll continue to move through Saturday night and likely linger into Sunday morning. That means any Easter sunrise services or early morning over the Southwest Freeway. We've got patchy cumulus clouds out there, and we actually have been tracking some very light rain showers as those clouds have been pushing further inland. You have to look very close, but you'll notice between Sealy and Hempstead, that light green color that's showing up, that's a few sprinkles coming down. And this is just the start of the change that's coming. Today, just a minor taste for a few locations. Tomorrow, we'll really see the rain increase, which means if you like a guaranteed dry afternoon, today's the day for it. 85 degrees out in Columbus. I'll tell you what, if you're a gardener, today is not a bad day to do it because we are tracking rainfall increasing. Gardening forecast this afternoon, certainly make sure you drink plenty of water. Temperatures dropping through the 80s, but it's a good time to garden because Joel, Lisa, our rain chances really ramping up into the weekend.
Okay, Caroline. Rain. It's fun-ish.
I'm totally agreeing. We need the rain.
I think it's really fun. A little change of pace for all of us. It has been 3 weeks tomorrow. But then also Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday is Easter Sunday. So let me walk you through what we're tracking because today a few light sprinkles. Other than that, though, most of us just stay dry, warm, and humid. Future track is going to show as we head into Wednesday, some light sprinkles are going to be possible as we start off the day, perhaps an isolated thunderstorm into the afternoon. Most of us will be staying dry, but do know a quick passerby shower or thunderstorm will be possible. All of these rain chances should taper off by sunset, which means for any Passover dinners, we should be dry there. Now, once we get into Thursday, rain chances ramp right back up. You can see this is another cold front pushing in from the northwest, which means the Brazos Valley and Piney Woods will first see those showers and thunderstorms beginning anytime from 7 to 9 a.m., continuing to race to the southeast. As it does, this is suggesting that it may be decreasing in intensity, but know that thunderstorms are going to be possible through the middle of the day. By the afternoon commute on Thursday, conditions look a whole lot better. So planning out your week, Thursday morning, extra time for driving. That's certainly what I'm going to plan to do. As we head into Friday, once again, it's going to be a similar situation to Wednesday. Scattered showers possible before our stronger front pushes in Saturday night into Sunday, and that is coming with a flood threat. Let me show you what that looks like on our future track with that line of thunderstorms advancing to the south and east, reaching Houston early Saturday afternoon and then passing through into the evening hours. Now, the hope here is that this front is able to clear the coast before Sunday morning, but do know any sunrise services or early morning egg hunts may be a bit on the muggy side. But let's talk about the benefit. We need the rainfall